Now let's take a quick look at the exception list. That's the warning triangle icon you'll find in the bottom right corner of the screen. This icon only appears on processes where exceptions are enabled or allowed. For example, when verifying the destination bin for a put-away task, you might find that the bin is already full or damaged. In this case, you'll need to use an exception code to record and handle the issue. By selecting the exception list button, you will see a predefined list of valid options you can choose from when something doesn't go as planned. You can also rearrange the order of these exception codes, so the most frequently used options appear at the top for quicker access. In addition, custom icons can be added next to each exception code, creating a more intuitive and visual user experience. If needed, you can also view all valid exceptions through the exception code list menu, giving you a complete overview of every available option. It's a much easier and more controlled way to manage exceptions. And best of all, you don't have to remember any short codes. That's the exception list, giving you a smarter, faster, and more intuitive way to handle unexpected situations in PreBilt.